Hello my hiking friends, it is nice to see you here and welcome to my watercolor retreat, or maybe I will call it the Lighthouse tour video, because I am in the largest island of Estonia called Saaremaa, and I had this amazing idea to try to see and paint all of the lighthouses in Saaremaa, because there are quite many of them here. And I am already at my first lighthouse here, and it's different than I have seen the other lighthouses. I'm super excited about that. I hope to get out some beautiful pictures from this trip. Anyway, enough of babbling, let's start painting. Why I did this, I don't know. I just made a major perspective mistake. It was so pretty! Can you tell what the mistake was on the lighthouse? You can't? Well, then I will not tell you. Lighthouse number 2. I am quite happy with this little piece. But as the mosquitoes are getting a bit annoying, now is a good time to stop. I found quite a lovely camping spot for myself. The sea is right behind me. When possible, I try to camp in those pre-prepared camping spots, because like camping just anywhere, I feel uncomfortable, and I feel like anybody can walk up to me and say, you can't camp here. So I try to camp in the places I am sure that I can camp. But when I drove here, I didn't see any signs of private property or anything. So I guess it's okay to camp here. But the place is beautiful. The view is gorgeous. And tomorrow's destination is right in eyesight. I can already see the next lighthouse. Anyway, good night for tonight. So this is Saaremaa, and we are right here. Let's take a closer look, and then let's find a place to sketch it. Oh, they are so huge in person. Oh my god. Oh, it is not so old. 1960. Unfortunately, we can't get in. Actually, none of the lighthouses in Saaremaa you can climb in and to the top. But I read from the letter on the door that this lighthouse will be built suitable for visitors in the near year or something like that. So that would be fun, because it's huge. My face right now, literally, as I walked in here. This place is so cool. For some reason this is so interesting for me. As the Sõrve, where we are right now, is really deep into the sea, and the surroundings of it is really full of stones and rocks and like shallow places, there are a lot of boats that have gone down. And this is a map of boats that have sunken near the Sõrve. Oh my god! Thank god that I came back for the visiting center, because it turns out the tower is open for the 3rd day, so I got my ticket and of course I'll go to the top. This is a workout. Oh. This is high. This is quite high. But I feel super safe with this here. Usually the lighthouses are only with this railing. So good job people who renovated the lighthouse and made it accessible to people like me to enjoy it. This is by far the most popular lighthouse in Saaremaa. It is 10 AM and look how many people there are already. Well, isn't this the most gorgeous hiking outfit you have ever seen? Anyway, the next lighthouse will be 4 kilometers into the nature park, and as it's forbidden, it's 4.5 kilometers, and as it's forbidden to go with cars there, I will hike out there, and there is also a campsite there, so I might as well camp there as well. But still, my hiking clothes, top notch. That thing is way off in the water. Oh. And do you know why? Because this peninsula here is affected with multiple waves coming from multiple sides. So this peninsula is always in the changing, like the coastal line is always changing. And yeah, that's the proof of it. But now I have to find the angle that's well composed and beautiful and inspiring to sketch. So as it's so off in the water, I didn't expect it to be so far off. It will be a bit challenging, but let's see.